The Maintenance Management module allows you to schedule, monitor, plan, and report on all of your maintenance activity. This can be done at the building or unit level. You can also track maintenance costs, organize maintenance efforts, schedule future maintenance activities, and track the completion. Prior to using the module, you will need to set up your maintenance codes. Each of your maintenance codes is associated with a GL account number. The Maintenance Management module is fully integrated to the Accounts Payable and the Work Order and Inventory module, eliminating duplicate data entry. To schedule a maintenance activity, choose the building with which the maintenance activity is associated. Then select the Scheduled Maintenance tab. Here you can see a list of maintenance activities, both pending and completed. To add a maintenance activity, click on the Add Scheduled Maintenance button. Here you will select a specific unit if applicable, choose the scheduled date, select the appropriate maintenance category, and select the specific supplier or maintenance staff member who will be responsible for this maintenance item. Then we'll choose if this item will be recurring. If it is, then we can choose the reschedule frequency. Then type as much detail as required in the Detailed Description of Work to be Performed field. To view maintenance history, click on the Maintenance History tab to get a breakdown of maintenance history by year and category. Drill down to see the history by month and to see detailed information such as invoice number and work order number. Since the maintenance module is fully integrated with accounts payable, when you enter an invoice associated to a maintenance item, Spectra will allow you to update the building and/or unit's maintenance history. Several reports are available with the maintenance module and can be viewed in the report sample section of this overview. If you require more in-depth scheduling of your maintenance activities, then the work order and inventory module may be a better solution for your needs. The work order and inventory module allows you to create and generate work orders for external contractors or internal maintenance staff. The module is fully integrated to tenant receivables, so if work needs to be charged back to either the tenant or the building, an invoice is automatically created. With full integration with accounts payable, even if an outside contractor does the work, their invoice can be entered into the work order and inventory module and will automatically update the accounting system. If you want the maintenance department to act as a profit center, you can set that up in the work order and inventory module. To create a work order, start in the Header tab. Before we start, it's important to note that on each screen there are several optional fields for you to use. However, during this demonstration, we will only review the most important fields. If you'll be using an outside contractor, select one here. If you'll be using internal maintenance staff, simply leave this field blank. Next, click the building and unit to which the work order is associated. Spectra gives you the ability to create a single work order for multiple units. Note that the overhead field allows us the option of marking up the costs for the work order, and the default overhead can be changed for each contractor if desired. Enter the status of the work order, the category, type, and person in charge. All of these fields are user-defined. It's also important to note in this section that you can create recurring work orders and define the schedule frequency. This minimizes the amount of data entry required for maintenance items that occur on a regular basis. Work order templates are also available in this module. An example of when you'd use a work order template is for move-in and move-out checklists. The Detail tab allows you to enter summary and detail notes about the work, but also provides a breakdown of the material and labor costs and any markup applicable. Note that just like the default overhead can be changed on the first screen, the changed overhead can also be overwritten for each line item, which gives you incredible flexibility for pricing materials and labor. Another note regarding the required products section. If you use a maintenance staff person to complete the work and supplies are needed, You can use products in inventory. Your inventory will be adjusted as items are used. If you're using a contractor, the Details Required Products section will be used to define contractor supplied items. You can create and preview either a working copy or the actual work order at this point. The Billing tab allows you to determine who is going to be charged for the repair, the tenant or the building. Here you can also choose to update your maintenance history. For outside suppliers, you can enter the invoice accounts payable details if desired. Various reports are available with the work order and inventory module. Samples can be found in the Reports section of this overview. If you don't see a specific report you're looking for, please ensure you speak with your Spectra representative, as reports are always being enhanced and added to Spectra.